Namaste everyone. Welcome to Mamta's Smart Moms YouTube channel. Today's episode we'll see about good and neat handwriting. Deal life with a good hand even though it gives you lemons. Yes, beautiful handwriting impresses just everyone. Legible and neat handwriting wins hearts and creates a favorable first impression. I'm going to give you a few very basic and simple useful tips that anyone can follow. A good handwriting is not just an essential quality for school students, it defines your character as a person. So it's always best to practice and write in your best hand. Ideally, the first thing is comfort. You should be seated in a comfortable position to write neatly. A table and a chair is preferable, even though, if not, you can easily make do with squatting on the floor with a sturdy cardboard pad on your lap. The writing material can be ruled or unruled, and you can write using a pencil, a ballpoint pen, a fountain pen, though the neatest of handwritings are the result of writing with a ink pen. These pens should be grasped with the first three fingers of your hand, and the fingers should be all at the same level. Writing this way is a good exercise for your fingers, and it also helps you write for long durations without causing any significant pain to your fingers or the wrist. Writing is an excellent hand-eye coordination exercise. It involves your brain in the most intricate way and gives it the necessary workout to focus on one point. This concentration helps maintain the sharpness and the nimbleness of your brain. A good hand, that is, a good handwriting, helps enhance your artistic and creative side of your brain. It makes you a good planner because you need to plan your entire script in the page given. And it also enables you to do things in an aesthetically pleasing manner. Always practice good handwriting because out of practice can make even the most beautiful writer into a scribbler. For writing legibly, you need not have practice in cursive handwriting or any exotic calligraphy techniques, etc. You just need a steady hand and a good eye to plan your entire script or lines or shapes within the given space. Writing English should be planned in the first three lines. Ideally, practicing in a child's four-rule note would be very useful. Later, you can graduate to unruled ones. When you place an unruled sheet over a ruled sheet, you can see the faint lines with that you can easily follow to write initially. Once you gain the practice, you'll be able to write without the help of any rules. Hold your pen steadily and always take the time to practice every day. Remember, that's the only way to get perfection. Neat handwriting, practicing writing beautifully is one of the simplest and basic exercise for improving hand-eye coordination and the nimbleness of your brain. It keeps your brain sharp, as do other hand-eye coordinating works like sewing with a needle and thread, embroidery, or making designs on the floor using flowers or rangoli powder. It just can be done by everyone. Cooking, that is also a very good exercise for your brain. But never underestimate the power of the pen and the paper. Bring them together every day to get into practice and be the sharpest of yourself. Do try. Thank you.